Hello students, we are going to start grade 7, chapter 2 mathematics, fractions and decimals. What are fractions? You have already studied that in grade 6. Fraction is a part of the whole. For example, I take this rectangle and I divide it into two equal parts. So this part is half and this part is also half. So we can represent the half by 1 upon 2. And this is a fraction. It means 1 by 2 part of this full rectangle. So fractions are those that can be represented in the form of P upon Q. For example, 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 7 upon 8. All these are fractions. Types of fractions. Proper fractions. What are proper fractions? Fractions are represented in this form and this is called numerator and this is called denominator. जो भी डैश के ऊपर लिखा है दैट इज न्यूमरेटर और डैश के नीचे जो भी लिखा है इट इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर. सो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस आर इन विच न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 upon 3. In this numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. Which is less? Numerator is less than denominator. So this is 1 upon 3 is proper fraction. 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, 3 upon 4. These are proper fractions. Improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? In which numerator is greater than denominator. Those fractions are called improper fractions. For example, 5 upon 4. What is the value of numerator? It's 5 and denominator is 4. Clearly numerator is greater than denominator. So it is an improper fraction. 4 upon 5, 7 upon 4, 10 upon 3. All are improper fractions. Then we have mixed fractions. What are mixed fractions? That also you have studied in grade 6. For example, 4 1 upon 3. We can read it as 4 1 upon 3. So mixed fraction is a fraction जिसमें हमारे पास एक whole number होता है plus a fraction also. 4 is a whole number and 1 upon 3 is a fraction. So mixed fraction में एक whole number भी होगा और एक fraction भी होगी. These are called mixed fractions. For example, 5 1 upon 2. This is also an example of mixed fraction. 10 1 upon 3. These are examples of mixed fractions. Then how we will convert this mixed fractions into improper fractions, or how we will convert improper fractions to mixed fractions? We will see this now. That also you have studied in grade 6. Here one mixed fraction is given 3 1 upon 2 and we have to convert it into improper fraction. See how will you do it. 3 1 upon 2. This is whole number and 1 upon 2 is fraction. What you have to do? Multiply these two. Whole number and the denominator. 3 multiplied by 2 and add the numerator plus 1. And denominator में जो denominator है that we have to write. So what will be the answer? 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 upon 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2. That's how we will convert it into improper fraction. Multiply these two. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. 6 plus 1 upon 2, 7 upon 2. That will be the answer. If improper fraction is given and we have to convert it into mixed fraction, then we have to divide. That's how you will divide. We have divided. Now what will be the answer? This is quotient and this is remainder. 1 is quotient and 4 is the remainder. Then first write the quotient and then remainder in the numerator. And denominator is same as the denominator. This 5 is the denominator. It will come in the denominator. Quotient, then remainder becomes the numerator, and then denominator remains the denominator. 1 4 upon 5 will be the answer. That's how you will convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed fractions. Goodbye.